I lost faith in my ability to hear God speak to me about 8 years ago. I was learning about faith back then and was taking baby steps of faith. Then I had a bad fall. What I was believing God for didn't work out. About this time also, so many of the things that I thought had worked as I was using my faith also failed. This really crushed me, so much that I lost my faith in my ability to hear God. I just believed that others were better at hearing God's voice, and I needed to go to the spiritual heavyweights to find out God's word for me about a situation. 2 years ago, my husband and I joined the Elevation Church, and one major thing I have been hearing the pastors say is that you do not need to be a spiritual heavyweight to hear from God. It is your inheritance as a child of God. A good father speaks to his children. This bore witness with what I used to believe, and then the failure I had with questioning it. This year, I enrolled in the Tech Maturity School course called Cultivating Unwavering Faith. In the process of attending that course, coupled with the messages on growth, I was delivered completely from the loss of faith after over 8 years. I learned that just because one faith transaction failed does not make me a failure. I give God the glory for this major deliverance. It is good to hear Him again and spend time with Him, as it was in the beginning of my relationship with Him.